Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 849 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, master light switch, and more light switches to the right. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, we have the wardrobe with bedroom slippers, bathrobes, hangers, a shelf right above for storage, a torch light right in there, ironing board, and right here we have drawers below, in-room safe, and a shelf right above. Okay, so right here we have the bathroom. To the right, as you enter the bathroom, is the toilet, the shower area with dual handheld and rain showers. The sink is in the middle, low, and the bathtub is to the right. You have towels right up there. Okay, so right here we have an empty fridge. Kettle, tea, coffee making stuff, bottles of water, glasses. You have a light switch right there together with a plug, and that is the breakfast, in-room breakfast menu. Another mirror, another mirror right here as well. Okay, so further inside, here we have the bed. It is quite comfortable. On either sides of the bed, you have bedside tables. On this side, you have a storage area below, and it's empty right above, and you have your light switches and plugs and light right above. On the right side, you can find the same storage area. You have plugs and light switches and lights as well. But on this side, you also have writing material, a clock, and an in-room telephone. Sofa-like thing right there together with a table. And right here, we have the desk area with the chair, a light, another mirror, and the plugs and whatnot right there. Here we have a storage area, place to put your luggage, more storage below, flat screen sharp TV, oh, and there is a light next to the sofa-like thing as well. And the view that I get out of the window, you can see sort of like a jungle-like thing next to the hotel. You can see a bit of the lake and a bit of the highway right there. You can also see other parts of the hotel. It is not a bad view. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 849 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.